Welcome to Techdive. I am here on my floor because I don't really have a better spot right now for this, but I have an HP J4904 48 port gigabit switch for my home network. It's super overkill. I will never fill up all these ports, even if I got like a security camera system. I just don't, it's overkill. But it cost like 60 bucks, 70 bucks. It was cheap. But anyways, my main problem with it, especially because I have it right in my recording computer, is that it is loud. And so I unplugged every fan except for one, the quietest fan, and it's still a bit too loud. So I'm going to put this Noctua NF-A4-10 in here. So yeah, this little guy, you can see that little glare. This little fan will help me keep this from overheating and killing itself. It is HP networking gear, enterprise grade, which means that for those of you that are used to the usual consumer HP level stuff, HP Enterprise is actually pretty good. It's not the best by far, but they have a lifetime warranty on all their networking products, so if this ever dies, as far as I know, I can get it fixed. I'd have to send it in to them. But this is an old, hot switch. This is a dinosaur back from the age when gigabit was like brand new. I mean, I think these cost $2,400. Now they're like $100 or less on eBay. I've seen some for 30 bucks. So this, you think, oh, the inside seems going to be like a gold mine of insanity. Nope. This is it. Don't touch this. It'll kill you. Alright. Let's crack this open. Now Noctua has included many adapters with this in order to get it compatible with any of your server 1U thickness kind of chassis. And I believe this one, since it's just a 3-pin, I can plug into just about anything. Let's see here. There he is. Yep. This little guy right here. Look at that. It's so cute. Tiny little fan. Alright, success. So what I had to do, which is really janky and scary, is that I had to take our little 2-pin adapter, plug it into the left 2 pins on the fan header, plug it into our fan. Alright, so do the fans work? Did it do what it's supposed to? Yes, it works. It's quiet. And it cools my switch just a little bit more, which goal succeeded. It's also like the cheapest Noctua fan ever. I mean, it seems about $13 in total. It comes with a whack ton of adapters. I mean, you can adapt it to just about anything. It's got silent, got little silent things. So if you have like a traditional kind of little screw holes for it, these will silently let it absorb the vibration for that. Yeah, this is an overkill way to make sure that your 1U switch thing that requires a specific 40mm fan will work. Now it has adapters for all kinds of other switches or whatever. And anyways, so yeah, that's it for the Noctua fans. Now, back to the channel. This is my new set. The lighting is awful right now, as you can tell. It's overhead. That's not what I want. I'm gonna get some lighting back here, make it look a little bit better. Maybe put some sound foam, get some acoustic treatment of some sort. But this is my setup. Got my computer here, my sweet 1080 Ti, of course. Dual monitors. Up here is my rack. My previous videos, this is mostly hidden. This time it's going to be actually kind of right in the middle of the screen. So maybe put some stickers up here. I got a couple friends that need some stickers for me to put up here, and got the switch that you just saw earlier in the video right here with the said Noctua fan. Got my little modem for my fiber, and then right over here is a very exciting review coming to you very soon. This is a Vive set, and it's going to be the best video ever. Now, on to more channel stuff. I'm super glad to be back making Techdive videos again. I will make as many and as awesome as I can. I'm going to focus more on the awesome more than the many. I know that we've barely released any videos this year. It's been, for both Adam and I, it's been a very busy year. For me, personally, it's been the busiest year of my life, easily. And so I'm going to try and get Techdive rolling out. At least get Techdive above 2,000 subs. Looks like it's going to come very soon. I want to hit 3,000 subs by Christmas. I want Techdive Gaming to hit 1,000 subs by Christmas. Adam's new channel, the AV Club, where he's putting all of his Vegas tutorials, all of his video related stuff. I'll probably be in some of it. I want to make some videos, or I'll make videos on like how to green screen, you know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.